Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Tinder dating app. So in the case that you guys want to use Tinder as a dating app, what can you do in order for you to proceed with doing this? Well, all we need to basically do if we want to use Tinder as a dating app is to tap on the Tinder application, and then once we're already here, we can actually now go ahead and log in onto our accounts. I've already actually logged on to my account, so in the case that you guys want to go ahead and log on to your accounts or create your accounts on here, that's going to be pretty easy, because all we need to do is to basically tap on our profile, and basically as you see, all of our details will be here, like the pictures that we have, the options that we can choose, also an about me, which is going to have some details about you, your interests, and a lot of different stuff about you as well. So once you're done with editing these steps, of course this is all going to be self-explanatory. Tap on done once you're done, and the basics of Tinder will basically be here on the fire icon, wherein you can swipe left if you don't like the person, and swipe onto the other side, which is right, if you do like the person. And that's the basics that all you guys need to know about using Tinder. But there's also the secret admirer feature, which actually comes out every now and then. And this is basically a feature that you could use to see those people who have already liked you. And as you see, whichever one you choose on here, that's going to be a sure win, because Tinder has already chosen them and these people have already swiped right on you. So whichever one you choose, it's a win situation. Of course, it all comes down to your personal preference. If you do like them, you can swipe right, and if you don't, just swipe left. I'm going to choose this person right here, and then of course, once that is already done and you have already, well, preferred this person, you can swipe right if you do, and then it might be a match. So all we need to basically do if we want to proceed with doing the rest, of course, if you have already sent them a message, you can basically now contact them and move your relationship or, well, communication from there. But your messaging section is going to be located right here beside your profile. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.